Hello everyone, it's Lisa here again. Welcome back to my channel. Here I am on my YouTube channel itself. Today's video is a little different. Okay, I'm going to be going over with all of you how to navigate and get the most out of your favorite YouTube channels. So you might be going on, you might be clicking videos, you might just be clicking videos that are posted, but you may not be getting as much out of your favorite YouTube channels as you can, and this video is going to show you basically how to navigate it. So this is my account, this is my channel. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into actually my daughter's account, and she has her own YouTube channel at the ripe old age of 7. So this is her account here, and if you go into the search bar at the top, okay, my name pops up here, Lisa Marie Mazariego. Okay, you could just type it in. Now you'll see what happens is this is my channel. Okay, so you'll know that this is an actual channel because it'll have either a red subscribe button, or here because she is subscribed to my channel, it already says subscribed, and the little notification bell is grayed out and has the little lines around it to indicate that she receives notifications when I post a new video. Underneath it, we'll show some of the latest videos. Okay, there's always going to be a little thing down here that says more if there are more, and it'll show a bunch of my videos, but it'll also show other videos, like other people's videos, and that's not what you want. If you really want to get the most out of the channels that you follow or you want to follow, you're going to want to go ahead and click on the channel itself. Okay, once it opens here, it looks very familiar. It should look very similar to when I was in my own account on my own channel. Okay, and then once you're here, you can see if you are subscribed to a channel, this will appear the same way as it does here. If you're not, it's usually red and it just says subscribe, and it's not in the past tense form. So here is the notification bell. Okay, you can have no notifications. Okay, if you really want to know when someone that you enjoy watching their resources post something, my recommendation is to click all, and it'll look like this. If that does not look like that, then you are not set up to receive notifications. Okay, something else is usually like a featured video. Okay, this is just one of the live PDs that I did on the YouTube channel that I think that people might be interested in at this point. So over on the right here, you'll see featured channels. If you like my channel and you like the content on my channel, you'll probably love these featured channels just as well. The first 5 are my fellow admin and moderators from the Bitmoji group, the Facebook group rather, Bitmoji Craze for Educators. Okay, they have great resources on there as well. And I also have my daughter's channel. So if you have small children or you teach the younger grades and you'd like a little short video of how to teach children to be kind and to include other children, you can have your children check out Rosalie's video. So if you're interested in finding her channel, you can find it right on mine. Okay, moving on. Here you can go ahead, and this is like the home screen. So it's just going to show you a couple of the videos I have from each of my playlists. Now, a lot of people don't even realize that we have playlists on our channels. Not all channels have them, but if once you get over a couple dozen videos, you really want to try to keep them organized for your subscribers. So what I have done is I have created playlists based on themes of the different videos that I offer. So here, these are all Bitmoji related videos in this playlist. If I click on it, it'll start from the beginning and it'll go to the end. I have ones for Google Classroom, I have Bitmoji for the classroom, I have just general skills if you want to know how to split your screen or restore a deleted web session, a lot of things like that, how to use your Google Drive. I have a lot of things in my general skills, and then there's just lesson plan ideas. So here I have my virtual classroom. I believe I have my digital notebook in here. So if you're looking for ideas for lesson plans, that's where you would go ahead and click. And then this way you're not wasting your time looking through the almost 80 videos that I have on my channel, okay? Or you could just click on videos. If you just want to see everything that I have, go ahead, click on videos, and then you can just scroll through. They're usually in the order of the most recent, and then the older ones follow it, after. Now, once you get down to the bottom, sometimes you'll see there'll be, like a more, it'll say more. Here I have play all. If you click here, all videos, uploads, past live streams, those are the the live PDs that I did. So if you want to click on that, you can see those as well. But you just want to make sure that it's on all videos if that's what you're interested in looking at. Also, if I wanted to write any community posts, I don't have any on my channel, but if you're wondering what that means, if I kind of wanted to just like write a message to all of you without creating a video, this is where I would do it. Okay, if I click on channels, these are the channels that are featured on my page. Okay, again, those are my fellow moderators and administrators from the Facebook group Bitmoji Craze for Educators. Like I said, that they have fantastic, fantastic resources. And then there's the section that shows you like all the people that I'm subscribed to. So if you're interested in seeing that, that is where you go to look at that as well. Okay, otherwise, these are the basics. This will help you definitely navigate any YouTube channel that you are interested in following, subscribing to, getting notifications for. Now that you have all of that, if you have any other questions outside of those, feel free to comment down below. But don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click this little notification bell up here in the corner so that you don't miss my future videos. Take care, everyone.